The second grade Go Math lesson 4.2, and today we're going to use compensation. Compensate for one number, add to the other. The directions say show how to make one add-in the next tens number. Complete the new addition sentence. Alright, so this is what we're used to seeing, and we have a representation of tens and ones for 15 right here and 37 over here. So it might look like this. Just add a plus here. You don't have to do this, but just so you understand, this is 15 and this is 37. Now, this is going to kind of help us move into regrouping. So when you're adding a number like 5 and 7, you're going to have to regroup those ones because they're larger than 10, or larger than 9, into the tens. Now, the way to do this is you're going to try to make one of these add-ins, as it says. It doesn't necessarily say which one. You need to choose one of these add-ins that you want to move to make the next tens number. So you want to make one of these add-ins the next tens number. So I look here, 37. It's easier to do with the larger number. So I see 37 here, and I have 3 tens, so that's 30. I have 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I can visually see I'm missing 1, 2, 3 to make this whole number 40. So I'd have 4 tens. So I'm going to regroup these 3 tens over here. For some of your parents, you might have heard it called borrowing when you were younger, but we're just going to make 3 new tens. And I like to draw it in so I could see it. And for some of you, it might be easier to cross these out. It might be easier to circle. Whatever works for you is what you should do. So now, my new number right here is 40. And for me, we use this as homework. I don't care whether you write all over the place, just as long as it makes sense to you. I'd rather you leave the work that you left there and not erase it, though. So I have 40, and then if I look over here, I'm going to see how many I have left. I have 110. I have 2 ones, so that means that is 110 and 2 ones, that's 12. So now I have 40 plus 12. That is much easier to add in my mind than 15 plus 37. So now I can just look. I have 110, or actually I'm going to rewrite it here. I'm sorry, I forgot they put a place here, but it helps you to understand it if you put it right underneath there. So I have 12 plus 40, and you could switch those around. Some people like the larger number to be first, but either way it's going to work. So I have 4 tens and 1 10, so that makes 5 tens. I have 2 ones and 0 ones, so that makes 2 ones. So the answer is 52. So 15 plus 37 equals 52. And now you don't have to necessarily write that there, but I just want to make sure you understand 12 plus 40 is the same as 15 plus 37 because both of them equal 52.